know it done no things set, you know. Yeah man. People, Jano. Say every time. Yo, people, want to them money. If them now set up for rob the people them who carry the relief package, these man at the shelters where the people them staying at the place. You understand? Because if you see where this girl posts, she say they are graping Zine, they are graping woman at the shelter in Petersfield, Westmoreland. Zine says basically she a tag. You understand, the Jamaica Constable Force and Joelness, you know, and some more people. Seeing what do we involves that and must be the MP for over Westmoreland, so you understand? I can't, yo, them money are heartless, you know. So you tell me, say, in this time, people, Zine, in this time where people are go through things, people, you see why the people them afraid to leave them home and go to these shelters? Who are secure the shelter them? What really are going? Who are secure these shelters? Where is the security and all these things? For protect the people them. You understand? Is there any police at the place to protect the people them or what? Me not understand. Because you gotta have them animal here. Some of them animal man out here. I try. You understand? If you do all these things to the woman them. You tell me say the man them not heart. The man them gone far if you do them thing of people. So you gotta tell me say no. You have kids, you have all of these things, bro, and you're there at the place and you are try for grape. You understand? I try for grape. Woman, brother, after all of the traumatic moments in the hurricane and people losing them home, people even lose family. Yo, me I tell you people, them money are just, yo, I don't know what going on in Jamaica to right. Me I tell you, say them money are heartless. Me I tell you, them money are really heartless. Cause where they in a island bamboo, the man them I take where the package them where the people them for carry down, you know. You understand, people? Where people them for carry down at the what's it, Black River or so. Forget the people so the people them can have things to eat and the man them a rabbit. No, all of them something here, bro. A shelter, brother. Remember them people, you know, some of them house gone, you know. And you have some people who don't even want to go to the shelter, you know. Because them maybe not trust. You understand? Maybe not trust certain people or, you know, them want do things by themselves. Because them are going to run some people where them not know. And if you tell you say, yo, Jano, the people them they are the place. The woman them and the man them a try do these things to the woman them, brother. This no look good. This no look good, me I tell you. Look at the people them a go through in Jamaica right now. Seeing? In the western part of Jamaica. The people them a go through. I would see a baby, a video with a baby. Like, yo, they must say, yo, they must do that for build up back one little piece of the baby. Because they look like the baby the outside for a few days. So many things are going. You understand? Them need for put protection like people. Either one JDF or one police. Somebody have to do there for secure the people them. You understand? Cause you have them type of man there. Where you understand? Them can't hold, what they call it? Them can't hold them island at them back. You understand? And enough of them man ya, where maybe they at the shelter. Maybe, you understand? Or some grape of them. You see it? And them know them maybe all have a chance to say, hey, in here so. One bag of woman. You understand? Because remember, you know, it's a whole community maybe in the shelter, you know. Seeing? And maybe all them same money I take with people and all of them something and nobody knows. And when them go around these people, you know, you understand? Them a try to do something. Yo, me I tell you, man, me I tell you. I can't believe that in this time, them man you have no heart, brethren. Them not have no heart. No heart. The woman, right now, remember, you know, imagine a woman where dead will have her kids or have a child and dead and yo, them have to pray the whole of them life mash up cause them house get blow down, everything gone, every papers, birth certificate, everything gone for them. A whole life start over. You understand? And you would have think say the man them, you know, are a individual where could have be a man would have dead there. You know? You don't know man protect. Them would have dead there for protect and make sure say everything alright with the female them. Or the woman. You understand? Them man ya have them type of mentality ya. And that more I know. Because the shelter, remember you know, and I like say the shelter them maybe have like bed in there. Them now in a room where part off, you know. Zine. Them now in a room where part off. All of them are use a school. Yeah, you have classroom, but maybe like couple beds are got in there. So you are tell me, say the man them, yo, John, no. I remember me tell you this, you know, people, if that a go on, you know, remember say pitney them they too, you know. Oh, them man, yeah. Really? I pre them meds, yeah? After everything we are going right now? Yo, dog. Yo, right now. Yo, may I tell you, you know? The woman them have to go watch out right now at the shelter them. Yeah, man. The woman them have to go watch out at the shelter them. Them need to get more protection at these shelters. Them need police. Them need somebody to secure them people with them type of money. You understand? Because it can't go like this. And I hope them catch that brother, yeah? Or catch whosoever do it. You understand? And lock them up, man. Them forget lock up. Look at this time and the man them a pre them ways, yeah? What kind of thing this? This don't even look good. The people them, the woman them a go through trauma right now. And I like man where we tough it out. The woman them dead there, them have them kids. Them kids can't go school. Everything for them wash and all of them look at something. And them man want try to do things to the woman them. And I put them through worse trauma. Like, yo, me never did I expect this. Me I tell you people. Because of the disaster will happen. Me never expect say man would you understand, like in this a sadness of time, yeah. Man I pray them way, yeah, for do these things. No man, no. Me I tell some people, I hope them catch whosoever. Which man, you know, I hope them catch him, you know. Me I tell you. Him forget how some beaten to man. Because brother, you're supposed to protect the woman them in this time. You understand? Protect them. When you see what go on, house blow down all of these things. Crisis are going on in Jamaica right now. And these man have time to have them thing upon them brain right now. No dog. Them man are vile, man. Them man are vile people. Cause there's no way. When you see what go on, the woman them a go through trauma. You understand? Cause remember, you know, when the woman them have them kids and Is some of them maybe I'll just stay home and them have them husband or boyfriend or whatever way go out there and fence and and them just dead there with the kids and thing. So it kinda hard on some of the woman them. You understand? Especially in a them western part there where, especially St. Elizabeth or Westmoreland, it's like some of them places, it kinda lack of opportunities. So, struggles is there same way. But if you see them money, they are the shelter them. You understand? The shelter, I think in a Westmoreland them say. Petersfield, Westmoreland. Cause I don't know if them in a them place there, they maybe use like the school them and so for do the shelter and thing. You understand? Yeah. Maybe I don't think this school them maybe use, but come on man, them money man. Yo, I don't know wrong with them money people, I tell you I tell you so when I see it, I say, yo, Jano, this it gone to now. This it gone to why these. Yo, I tell you, some man there Jamaica, I tell you, yo, the money are heartless, brother. Heartless. From when I see the man them a rob the people them at the relief food. Rob them the same food. When maybe I go help one of them family, The man them a try rob it. Zine. And the people them a give the food to people we need. And then forward to this now. The man them want grape off. You understand? Grape off the woman. Them inna the shelter them. And maybe I'll other shelters this maybe I go on, maybe it no load up like this. You understand? This not supposed to happen. How this reaching the man them mindset. Huh? No, brother. Yo, may I tell you, bro, on a dangerous dog, may I tell you. Uno for stay in a prison, man. May I tell you, uno for stay in a prison, bro. Nah, no heart. No heart, bro. Cause there is no way. You see the situation where I go on and you have the heart for try make all them type of move there. Yeah, man. You have to really vile if you do them something they like. You not no heart when you do them thing there, people. May I tell you not no heart when you do them thing there. Especially in a this atmosphere where I go on in a Jamaica right now. Like a lot of people left traumatized and stressed out and especially the woman them will get affected. Cause remember, woman think a lot more than man, Yeah, man. Think a lot more than man. You see it? So, this situation, yo, may I tell you, I don't want normal thing this people, may I tell you, I don't want normal thing this. Yo, Jano, can't believe say them extend the man them a go. I just a pray say, yo, people them in the shelter, the woman them in the shelter, and yo, I hope them need forget some people. Them need forget some security for the people them. The people them need some get at least couple JDF or police. Them need forget somebody where armed or something where watch over the people them. The people them alone can't stay at the shelter them like this. You understand? With them ya animal ya. You understand? Reptile man ya. You understand? Them need security. Especially the woman them. Them need police or jail, some protection, some security guard or somebody to watch over them. Cause you don't know what type of man they're on these female when in the shelter them, You don't know the mindset where them man have. Cause them man maybe I do things a road long time before the hurricane and them get them chance and see one bag of woman under a shelter now and want to try something so. I don't know. A lot of people Yo, Jano, me I tell you say yo. Nah man, them man need to do better. Me I tell you. Right now, I prison them for go. Look at this time, people. But you have to really heartless, you know. Yeah man, you have to really heartless. For pre them mindset, yeah. You understand? So people just look out on the eyes. The woman them, yo, me no know you know, right now you have to watch no back. Cause them money are out under the shelter them. You have to watch. You understand? You have some money now. Them can't hold out. You understand? Them can't hold out. Worse than a little thing we go on and you know through the trauma and every little thing and them can't do it. Yeah man, you have to watch out for them ladies. Me I tell you, watch out for them under the shelter. Them is not a good look. You understand? But people, I don't know, you know, media facts, you know. Yeah man, we have to put the word out there, man. Them man, yeah man, them man have to wipe off of the earth, man. Me I tell you. Yeah man. But people don't know media facts, you know. Yeah man. That is it.